Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to bake some delicious apple turnovers made of puff pastry. I will show you how to make puff pastry yourself. You can follow these same steps with a smaller dough in your own kitchen. When you prefer using pre-made puff pastry from the store, then you can skip this part. Start mixing slow until everything is well mixed. Then go fast speed until dough temperature is around 15 degrees. You want a cold dough because that's easier to handle with your butter. And then flatten your dough a little and let it rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now it's time to fold in your butter. Flatten your dough again and fold it in like this. Let's flatten it again, around 7 mm thick, and fold it in 3. The next step is to turn the dough 90 degrees and repeat exactly the same as before. Let the dough rest for another 30 minutes. The whole process which I have shown you has to be repeated 2 more times. If it all went too fast for you, here are the instructions step by step. Now it's time to let our pastries puff and start with the apple turnovers. First we start with our vanilla custard to fill our pastries with. What we need next is cinnamon sugar, decoration sugar, 5 bakestable apples, puff pastry of course, and our vanilla custard. Let's start peeling our apples and get the core out. Before starting with your apple turnovers, dust some flour to prevent from sticking. Now take out your puff pastry, leave it in the refrigerator before using. Use whole egg or water on the sides to let the dough attach better, then place your apples in the middle of the squares. Now fill them up with your cinnamon sugar, but leave a little bit of space to put in your vanilla custard. Okay, now fold the ends of the puff pastry to the bottom of your apples and put a little pressure on it. I am using some aluminum cups to catch all the moist which will escape from the apples while baking. Use some egg again to let your sugar stick to the pastries. Now let your pastries rest for another 30 minutes before baking. Start preheating your oven to 200 degrees. Before baking, make a small hole at the top of the pastry to let the moist escape.